Cyclamen. They may be petite, but boy do their flamboyant colours pack a punch. And you can find them in garden centres and nurseries right through the cooler months. I love these two types. We've got the larger ones here, which are actually quite sweetly scented. And then I love these little miniatures. Aren't they adorable? They can create a carpet of colour beneath deciduous trees and bring colour and life to tough spots in the garden, like under the eaves of your home or areas that only get filtered light. They're also fabulous in decorative pots on a patio or balcony. In the wild, cyclamen grow in woodland settings, in dappled shade, in a soil that's really rich from all that leaf mould. But nothing kills them quicker than wet, waterlogged, poor soil. So I like to use some Seasol Liquid Compost, and this will give your soil a nice bit of TLC. It's a dynamic soil conditioner, soil improver and plant health treatment in one, designed to rejuvenate and revitalise your soil. It can help break up clay and it reduces nutrient loss from sandy soils. And the added Seasol is a health tonic for your whole garden. When the colour is this fabulous, you can't just stop at one. Cyclamen look fabulous, planted en masse. So go a little bit mad. And don't be put off when they die down at the end of winter. If you've got them planted in the right spot, then they'll be popping up their little faces again next year.